how to set speak keyboard input allowed to read characters, words, or both on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Next, tap on the settings icon. Then in here, we scroll down and then tap on General Management. After that, go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then we scroll down and tap on Swipe, Touch, and Feedback. Next, we go down and tap on the left-hand side panel on Speak Keyboard Input Allowed. Next, we go down and go to the What to Read section. From here, you can choose to read characters or read words, or both characters and words. So let's say I have chosen to read words. So here, if I open up my keyboard, I'll delete. So I put in hello.
Hello. There. There, period. Space.
And that's it. So it will speak out word instead of character by character. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.